Hello everyone, I am glad you have joined me for yet another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, Mwari wa Magi. Our previous lesson looked at the second part of body parts. I hope you're practicing. Today we will learn about family, gender, and much more. As you know, the Kikuyu language is spoken by a tribe in Kenya known as the Kikuyu tribe. Tribe then in Kikuyu is Roriri. Roriri. Within the tribe, you're going to find the clan, which is Moheriga, Moheriga, and Meheriga when they are many, Meheriga. These Kikuyu clans, or what we are going to call Meheriga, include Aboi, Ajiro, Asera, Aisakamoyo, Aithirado, Airimo, Agoi, Ajiko, Agare, and Edaga. Within these clans, there you will find various families. Family in Kikuyu is known as Nyoba. Nyoba. And now to look at the various members of the Nyoba, starting with the father is known as Fafa. Fafa. The older generation usually refer to their mothers as Maito. Maito. Although nowadays people comfortably call their mothers Mami. Mami. The grandpa is known as Guka. Guka. While the grandma is known as Soso. Soso. The husband is known as Mudhuri wa. Mudhuri wa. Loosely translated as the husband of. The wife is known as Mutumia wa. Mutumia wa. Loosely translated as the wife of. The son is Moro. Moro. And Ario for plural. Ario. The daughter is Moare. Moare. And their plural is Are. Are. The auntie is known as Tata. Tata. And Mama for the uncle. Mama. The plural for uncles and aunties in Kikuyu is Atata na. Amama na in Kikuyu is and. Atata and amama. My sister in Kikuyu is Moare wa Maito. Moare wa Maito. And the plural is Are Amaito. Are Amaito. My brother is Moro wa Maito. Moro wa Maito. And the plural is Ario Amaito. Ario Amaito. When somebody refers to your sister, then it becomes Mwari wa Maito guo. Mwari wa Maito guo. And when somebody else is referring to your brother, then it is Moro wa Maito guo. Moro wa Maito guo. The nephews and the nieces are known as Siana Siamoro kana Mwari wa Maito. Siana Siamoro kana mwari wa maitũ, loosely translated as the children of my brothers or my sisters. The cousins are known as watata and wamama. Watata na wamama, loosely translated as the children of my aunties and my uncles. One parent is known as musiari, and the plural is asiari. The grandson and the granddaughter are known as gasuso, and the plural is tususo. The great-granddaughter or son is known as gasukuru, and the plural is tusukuru. The in-laws are known as adhoni. A man who is middle-aged and above is known as muthuri, and the plural is athuri. A woman who is middle-aged and above is known as mutumia, and the plural is atumia. The male of a human being is known as modurume, and arume for plural, while the female is known as modowaja. A child is known as mwana, and the plural is ciana. A baby or an infant is known as kana, and the plural is twana. A girl is known as kairetu. The plural is toiretu. A boy is known as kahe. The plural is tohe. A lady is known as moiretu. The plural is airetu. A gentleman is known as mwanake, and the plural is anake. A male parent is known as idewa, loosely translated as the father of, while the female parent is known as nyinawa, loosely translated as the mother of. When somebody is referring to your mother, then they say maitoguo. Whereas they are referring to your father, then it is ithe wanyu. The firstborn is known as irigidadi, and marigidadi when they are many. While the lastborn is known as kehigada. Then for the plural it will be ihigada, ihigada. The twins are known as mahatha, mahatha. The extended family is known as bari, bari. A girlfriend or a boyfriend is known as mwedwa, mwedwa. A bride is known as mohiki, mohiki, while the bridegroom is known as mohikania, mohikania. And on that note, my dear listener, we have come to the end of our lesson for now. It is my sincere hope that you are slowly but surely learning the Kikuyu language. Please join me as we focus on food in our next lesson. Until then, it's cheers from me.